Hello everyone, welcome into Selenium Python tutorial. Today in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to read data from an Excel file in Selenium. This is a very common requirement when you want to handle test data dynamically in your automation scripts. So let's begin. Create a new Python file. Right click on Python project, new, and then click on Python file. Enter the file name Excel underscore data and then click on Python file. First thing here we need to do import the package OpenPyXL for reading the data from Excel file. Search in Chrome Open UI Excel and you can easily add this package, copy and open PyCharm and enter command here, right click and paste. Pip install, pip install and then package name. Click on enter and here package already installed in a system. So you can easily verify the package either is successfully installed or not by using pip list show. By using this command, here you can view the all installed package here. Now, I will show you step by step how you can read the data from Excel file. First, create a file in which enter the username in first column and password in second column. This is the username and this is the password. Now, import open UI Excel and then import WebDriver from Selenium. Import from Selenium and import WebDriver. Now import the by for locating the element from Selenium dot WebDriver dot common dot by and import by. Now import the time for adding delays in a script. Use import time. First step to load the Excel file, create a variable file underscore path is equal to. Now here you will enter the path where the file is present R and suppose this file present in C slash users data. Inside this users data, this is the file name and then enter the extension XLSX. This is the extension. Now get the active sheet work group is equal to, this is the variable name, open UI Excel dot load workbook and enter this variable name which is file underscore path. Here inside this round brackets file underscore path. Here we define the Excel file present in this location with extension. Now step 2, initialize the driver equal to WebDriver dot Chrome and URL defined here. URL is equal to enter the URL of the login page of this URL and paste here. Here I just declare a variable URL. Now use this variable by using driver dot get URL. Driver dot get basically used to navigate to the URL. Now step 3, to iterate through the rows in the Excel sheet and perform logins by using for loop. Here we are getting some error because we need to enter round brackets here on initializing the WebDriver. Driver is equal to WebDriver dot group. Now get the active sheet here. Enter sheet is equal to workbook dot active. Now third step, use the for loop for iterate through the rows in the Excel sheet and perform logins. Use for loop for row in sheet dot iter underscore rows and enter value minim underscore row is equal to 2 and values underscore only is equal to true. Now, assuming username is in first column and password is in the second column. Username is equal to row 0 and is equal to row 1. Here just use driver dot get URL after for loop. Now we just need to enter the username and password. Add some weight here. Time dot slip 3 seconds and then locate the element driver dot find element by ID. Here we need to enter the IDs of the username and ID for password and then click on the login button. Right click on this field username and then copy this ID, which is user underscore name, enter ID and use dot send keys username. Same as well, we need to locate the element for password driver or find element by ID and then enter the ID for password field. Right click on this password field and here ID available, which is password. Copy this ID and paste here. In this scenario, we need to enter the password. So here use dot send keys and password. After enter the username and password, we need to click on the login button. So here we can locate this button, right click on this login and inspect, copy this ID login dash button. Driver dot find element by ID. Here ID login dash button. We need to click on this login button. So here use click method. After click on this login button, add some bit here time but slip 2 seconds. Let's run this script. In this scenario, here we define the path where the location of the file present in this location. See users data. This is the file name, and then enter the extension. And then here use the active, and then navigate to the URL and use for loop for iterate the rows and then enter username and password, locate by the ID and then click on the log. Right click and then click on run Excel. Chrome driver is opening and enter username and password here and then click on login button. That is for today's tutorial. Now you know how to read the data from an Excel file using Selenium. This method help you to manage test data efficiently for your automation projects. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to SK World for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.